So you would never buy like $1,000 smartphone if it didn't actually come with an operating system.
Oh, absolutely not. It would just be a very expensive paperweight.
Right, exactly. Without iOS or Android, it's literally just a shiny, useless brick of glass and metal. Yet here you are, running the most complex machine on Earth, your own life on completely random habits, scattered bursts of motivation, and absolutely zero system.
Yeah, it's such a striking contradiction when you put it like that. I mean, we accept that these operating systems are completely non-negotiable for our tech to function, but we somehow expect our minds and our careers to just sort of figure it out on the fly.
Totally. Well, welcome to today's deep dive, where we're all about fixing that glitch. We're unpacking an architectural framework called LIFEos, which was developed by the team at Mindlytics by Artigelans.
It's a fascinating concept.
It really is. And our mission today is simple: to figure out how to stop living your life by default and start running it with a deliberate system. If you regularly update your phone to fix bugs, when was the last time you consciously updated your life's software?
That is the million-dollar question. And to even begin that update, you really have to understand your own underlying architecture.
Right.
So think of your physical body as the hardware, your habits are the software running in the background, and then your daily actions. That's the ultimate output.
Okay, let's unpack that software part. What exactly is the code making up this LIFEos?
Well, it's built on 9 interconnected pillars. You've got connection, discipline, food, presence, learning, building, investing, recovery, and sleep.
Wow, that's a lot of pillars.
It is, yeah. But rather than just a checklist of, self-help buzzwords, these act as a structural web. For instance, the food and recovery pillars directly supply the physiological energy you need to run the learning and building pillars.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. And if you lack presence, your connection with others degrades. They just constantly feed into each other.
So it's not about being perfect at one isolated thing. It's about not letting one weak link drag down the whole system, which actually brings us right back to the phone.
How so?
Think about a device with a 1% battery. It really doesn't matter if it has the fastest processor on the market. I mean, if the battery is dead, the apps won't open.
No, completely.
So if your sleep pillar is broken, your discipline just vanishes. You simply cannot out-hustle a dead battery.
That is the core of it, right there. But, that internal stability is really only half the equation.
Wait, there's more.
Yeah, because a strong internal operating system isn't very useful if it shatters the moment it encounters an external disruption. And the economic world is shifting faster than ever right now.
Okay, here's where I need to push back a bit.
Yeah.
Because the framework suddenly shifts from personal health and habits straight into wealth building.
It does. It takes a turn.
And bridging the gap between, waking up early and surviving a volatile economy feels like a massive leap. How does getting better sleep translate to paying the rent?
I get why that feels like a jump. But think of it like a city's power grid. A city doesn't rely on just one generator, because if that generator fails, everything goes dark.
Right, you need backups.
Exactly. Historically, most of us have relied on a single income stream, one job. But with artificial intelligence rapidly automating tasks and entire industries shifting literally overnight.
Yeah, it's wild right now.
It is. And that single stream is now a massive systemic risk. One job is no longer stability. It's a vulnerability.
So how does the framework actually address that vulnerability?
By treating wealth as just another system to be optimized, LIFEos guides you to methodically build multiple income streams, things like content creation, affiliate partnerships, and digital products.
Okay.
But because you've already stabilized your internal pillars, like your focus and energy, you actually have the bandwidth to build these external assets without burning out.
See, that's the part I struggle with. Trying to optimize 9 habits and start a digital business at the same time. That sounds like a recipe for a total meltdown. How do you actually install this upgrade without completely crashing your current life?
Well, that's where the 15-week blueprint comes in. It runs specifically from March 29th through July 5th.
Okay.
And what makes this timeline effective isn't the speed, it's the pacing. Every 3 weeks, there is a mandatory pause.
A full stop to just reflect and reset.
Yeah, exactly. And there's a biological reason for that. Physiologically and psychologically, we just aren't built for perpetual sprinting.
We really aren't.
Those 3-week intervals allow your nervous system to adapt to new habits, so they actually become automatic. It prevents you from running really fast in the completely wrong direction.
Because growth is about direction, not just speed. And that ties into the ultimate winning loop of this framework, which is read, apply, reflect, repeat.
It's a great loop.
It explicitly emphasizes that you do not need to be the smartest person in the room to make this work. This system rewards consistency over raw intelligence. Those who win are simply the ones who stay consistent with that loop.
Right. And that consistency is the mechanism that transforms random bursts of motivation into a life that is truly designed. It integrates your health, your focus, and your financial resilience into one cohesive architecture.
So what does this all mean for you listening right now? You have a pretty stark choice.
You really do.
You can continue living a busy, stressed life by default, waking up, rushing through the day, constantly feeling behind, or you can step back and deliberately design your life by building a system.
It ultimately comes down to taking control of your own inputs and outputs.
Exactly. So we'll leave you with this final thought to ponder. As AI continues to level the playing field, raw technical skill is rapidly becoming a commodity.
Oh, for sure.
In a future where artificial intelligence can do almost any specific task better and faster, could your personal operating system, like your resilience, your adaptability, and your structured consistency, be the only real competitive advantage you have left?
That's something everyone needs to think about.
If your current life is running an outdated operating system, what is the one buggy habit you need to uninstall today to make room for the LIFEos upgrade?